The cheetah is a member of the cat family, native to sub-Saharan Africa, Syrian Arabia, and northern India. They are larger than lynxes and smaller than leopards, pumas, and jaguars. They are similar to leopards, but where leopards have ringed markings, cheetahs have black spots and stripes on their faces. It is the fastest mammal on Earth, capable of reaching speeds of 80 to 120 meters per hour. However, they lack endurance and can only run about 300 to 400 meters at a time. They must rest after each run because of the enormous spurts they produce. If they run continuously without resting, they can suffer fatal injuries such as ruptured organs. Leopards usually travel alone, while cheetahs live in packs. What's unusual is that males travel with males and females travel with their cubs. Males do not socialize with females except during mating season. Since the female is responsible for the cubs alone, only one or two of the cubs survive. Despite their small size compared to other feline predators, they use their speed to hunt prey such as gazelles and deer. While a group of males can cooperate with other individuals of similar hunting ability to gain an advantage in the hunt for prey, the survival of a group of females and their cubs depends solely on the hunting prowess of the female. They are gentle in nature, and Indian royalty is said to have tamed them and used them as hunting animals. They are still a popular pet for Arab wealthy individuals, but hunting has driven them to the brink of extinction. Furthermore, cheetahs are all similar in their DNA structure, so if something like a virus were to spread, scientists believe it would only be a matter of time before they became extinct. Several countries have now banned the private and extra-familial trade in cheetahs. The world's fastest mammal, the cheetah is one of the most docile members of the cat family, and there are no known cases of it attacking humans. If the indiscriminate hunting and pelt trade continues, we may soon see no cheetahs anywhere in the world.
The closest animal that humans are related to is the chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are one of the most endangered animals on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List. They live in the rainforests and savanna grasslands of Central Africa. Their average height is 2.1 meters to 1.6 meters, and they weigh 40 kilograms to 70 kilograms. Chimpanzees in the wild can live an average of 30 to 40 years. However, if they live under human care, they can live to be over 50 years old. They become reproductively active at the age of 14 and have one offspring per litter. Chimpanzees live in forest-based troops, with a strong, dominant male alpha leading the pack, designating their territory and living within it. However, after a few years, these leadership positions change. This is because chimpanzee troops are highly politicized. They are maintained by a hierarchy of power, and groups fight for dominance and combine through tests of bravery and risk of betrayal. Disagreements and conflicts in group life are often resolved through violence, which creates a hierarchy. This ecological trait makes chimpanzees very aggressive. Chimpanzees are omnivores with a vegetarian diet. They eat fruits, nuts, and even insects like ants, but meat is their favorite. Chimpanzees hunt their own and other species of monkeys, antelopes, forests, and warthogs. Their greatest natural enemy is the leopard. With its ability to ambush chimpanzees from the outside and its ability to climb trees, the leopard is a dangerous animal for chimpanzees. To protect themselves, chimpanzees often band together to attack and kill leopard cubs. Chimpanzees expand their territories by fighting with chimpanzee troops from other territories. They also have food competition with baboons, and their troops go to war with each other. Chimpanzees are said to engage in organized fighting, deliberately walking into other troops and beating them up. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent animals. An example of this is their unique use of tools in different regions. Some regions use branches to catch bent ants, while others use stones to crack walnuts and sharpen the ends of wooden sticks to hunt animals that live in tree hollows. However, each chimpanzee has its own personality, and some may never develop or master this culture. Chimpanzees also care for each other, like humans, by treating each other's wounds and picking each other's fur. They express their emotions by grunting or screaming, and they communicate with behaviors such as hugging and touching each other. When Kyoto University in Japan tested the chimpanzee Jamin, it was found that his short-term memory exceeded that of humans. It is believed that he evolved this way due to the situation in which he often identified obstacles in dense trees and forests. Chimpanzees are said to have 1.2 to 1.5 times the muscle strength of humans because they have twice as many muscle fibers as humans alone. They also have a phenomenal physical ability to run, capable of running up to 40 kilometers per hour. However, these chimpanzees are expected to lose 90 kilometers of their African homeland to global warming and habitat destruction by 2010, which is why humans must work to minimize the climate crisis and habitat destruction to prevent their extinction. The average chimpanzee weighs 130 kilograms, which is quite a bit of strength. However, these chimpanzees are expected to lose 90 kilometers of their African homeland to global warming and habitat destruction by 2010, which is why humans must work to minimize the climate crisis and habitat destruction to prevent their extinction. Tool-using chimpanzees are the animals that humans are most similar to.